Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will talk about 10 best food spa with heat, with buying guides and reviews. An elegant and therapeutic way to unwind after a long day is with a foot spa with heat. These devices combine soothing water, warm with massaging action for ultimate stress relief, improve circulation and foot fatigue relief. Finding an appropriate foot spa with heat can be exhaustive due to all the available options. Heated foot spas provide therapeutic benefit that alleviate fatigue and promote relaxation. But finding one tailored specifically for you may prove daunting. There is a list of 10 best heated foot spas, each with the specific features designed just for you. So before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@ best purchase pro 814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, collapsible foot spa with heat, bubble red light and temperature control foot bath massager with 8 size 2 massage rollers. Features soothes tired feet and relieves muscle tension effectively and quickly provide adjustable heat setting for personalized comfort during foot therapy. Come with removable ruler for easy cleaning and maintenance. Compact design make it easy to store and transport conveniently. Number 2, H&B Luxuries Foot Spa Massager with heat for stress relief, feet bath with motorized rollers and shower. Features enhanced blood circulation and reduce foot pain. Help to relax muscle and alleviate foot stiffness. The foot spa features are user-friendly, designed for easy operations, offer multiple massage modes for a customized experience, high-quality constructions. Number 3, Homedics Compact Pro Spa Collapsible Foot Bath with Heat Vibrations Massage Echo Node Surface Heat Maintenance. Feature portability and space-saving design, maintaining consistent heat throughout your session. Offer a customizable managed experience tailored to your need, durable and high quality build, easy to use control, allow for customizable setting based on preferences. Number 4, Homedics Pedicure Spa Foot Bath with Heat. Features improve blood circulation, promoting overall foot health. Easy to use, toy touch control, promote a natural foot position, reducing strain and discomfort. It's easy to use and maintain, making it convenient. User can achieve soft, smooth feet without needing to visit a salon. Number 5, Heated Foot Spa Bath with Bubble Massage Pedicure Attachment Vibration for Fetish Relief. FBM 605 features provide superior heat therapy, enhancing blood circulation and relaxation. Effective vibrant message that target and relax tense muscles. Non-slip rubber feet provide stability during your spa sessions. Provide a gentle massage, enhancing relaxation and foot health. Number 6, Homedics Salt and Soak Foot Bath with Heat Boost and Soaking Salt Starter Kit for Soothing Massage Rollers to Touch Control Splash Guard. Features provide consistent and lasting comfort, enhancing your overall experience. Soaking Salt Starter Kit enhance the therapeutic benefit, easy to use control, make operations straightforward for anyone, meet your personal comfort and therapeutic requirement, enhanced relaxation and stress relief. Number 7, Homedics 2-in-1 Sauna and Foot Bath with Heat Boost Pedicure at Home Spa with visible warm mist and massaging Hydra Stream. Features offer dual functionality, combining a sauna and a foot spa. High quality components ensure long lasting performance and reliability. Leaves stress and soothes tired muscles for relaxation at home. Adjustable heat setting cater to personal preference for comfort. User friendly design. Number 8, collapsible foot spa, pedicure foot spa tub, electric folding foot massager tub, remote control timer. Features provide soothing heat to relax tired feet muscles effectively. That feel blue add a stylish touch to your spa experience. Pedicure functions help you gently remove dead skin and calluses. Rollers provide through a satisfying massage experience, user-friendly design. Number 9, Montrex foot massager machine with heat gift for women, men, plantar fasciitis, and leaf pain. Features superior heating technology for optimal comfort. Powerful massage roller that target vital pressure point on your feet provide versatile therapeutic benefit beyond more relaxation relieves soreness and tension with the soothing heat therapy. Number 10, foot spa bath massager with heat bubbles and vibration. Digital temperature control pedicure foot soaker with 16 mini rollers for soothe. Features OHSEE foot spa provides soothing heat for relaxation and comfort. It offers multiple massage options for customized food therapy sessions. The built-in timer ensures safe or convenient operation. The portable design allows for easy transportation and storage. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/foot spa with heat slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com slash at the rate best purchase pro 814. Thanks for watching.